फ्रेंड्स, YouTube चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। Today I'm going to show you how to create programs using ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an open AI tool that helps us to create programs in seconds. Create tic-tac-toe game using Tkinter in Python. So here let us send this message to ChatGPT. So here it begins to generate the code. And can I say, friends, how fast it is generating? It is generating the whole window in seconds. So here, let's copy the code here and paste it in the Visual Studio Code, the PY file. So if we run this now, so here it shows the tic-tac-toe screen. So here, and now it shows that player X win. So here so here it shows that player O wins. And here when nobody wins, it shows that it is a draw. Perfect. So here, did you see how fast it generated? So I hope you like this video. So please like, comment, subscribe and share my videos with everybody. See you in my next exciting video. And for now, bye bye.